Well, here's a piece of history that could be in your driveway very soon. This is a 1966 Pontiac GTO hardtop with air conditioning and PHS documented as well. This is a beautiful car, brings back a lot of memories. Blue exterior, black vinyl interior, and it has that really good looking classic black vinyl top. YS code, 389 cubic inch engine with 4-speed manual transmission. Now features include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, AM radio, and as we said, it's really something to feature the air conditioning on this car along with that power steering and power brakes. This body off restored 66 GTO is in very nice condition. The car's paint is in overall good condition, has a great shine, and that black vinyl classic top is in very good condition as well. Chrome bumpers show a very good finish, and exterior door handles show a good condition finish as well. Pontiac Rally I wheels, well, they're in good condition with very good trim rings and center caps. The interior of this car, well, this will bring back memories when you open up the door. Very good seats, center console, dash pad, door panels, and GM seatbelts, all good to very good condition, and the carpet as well. It has that correct appearing AM radio that's in place, and the 389 cubic inch Pontiac engine shows the YS suffix. The frame is solid and rust-free. Included with this car will be the PHS documentation and photos of the car before and during that body-off restoration. So give us a call today, right here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Our sales representatives are always available at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button, and you'll be the first to see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, here at buyavette.net, we can make buying online something you can do with ease, but more importantly with confidence. And we ship nationwide all the time. Much less expensive than you can imagine. So anyway, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon. This is a beautiful car, and it could be yours.